Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's Smokey Eye Makeup is super easy with a beautiful and stunning color combination. I created this amazing eye makeup using just a simple brush. It's suitable for any special event. All you need to do is follow along with me step by step. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I apply a dark pink eyeshadow all over my eyelid using my favorite crease brush, which is perfect for blending. However, feel free to use any fluffy brush you prefer as I carefully blend the shadow to ensure that there are no harsh lines left behind, making sure that my eyelid is fully covered for a smooth and seamless base. I also apply the shadow carefully to my crease using a sweeping motion, as this lighter shade serves as a perfect base for my eyeshadow look, providing a nice transition and helping to create depth in the overall makeup. Next, I apply a dark purple eyeshadow, specifically in a burgundy shade close to my lash line on the eyelid, gradually blending it upwards into the crease using a sweeping motion. This color has become quite trendy lately and truly makes a statement, although there is a hint of golden shimmer in it that gets almost lost when blended, creating a subtle yet captivating effect. For this eye makeup look, I used a patty color type of brush that I find works best for blending, and you can also select shades that are similar to this eye makeup from your favorite eyeshadow palette, so you can follow along and blend the colors step by step with me to achieve a beautiful final result. Next, I decide to add some black eyeshadow to darken the colors. I apply the shadow close to my lash line and take my time with this step to blend it well. As you know, blending black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, so it's best to use a small amount and blend gently to ensure there are no harsh lines left. I choose a burgundy eyeshadow again and apply it to my lower lash line with a small flat brush, which adds a rich and vibrant touch that complements the overall look beautifully. I take a smaller fluffy brush and apply a small amount of black eyeshadow to my lower lash line, ensuring that I carefully blend it in to create a soft, smoky effect without being too harsh. We've reached my favorite part. I use some golden glitter and apply it to the center of my eyelid with my finger. It's interesting how well this loose glitter sticks to my eyelid without needing any glitter glue. However, if you have trouble with loose glitter sticking, I recommend using glitter glue before applying it to ensure it stays in place. To finish my eye makeup, I draw a winged eyeliner. I usually use a brush and gel eyeliner for this, but you can use any type of eyeliner product that you feel comfortable with. I extend the eyeliner to the middle of my eyelid as it suits the shape of my eyes better. This is the final step of the makeup. You can add mascara or false lashes to complete the look. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. I post makeup tutorials in various styles every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.